I got my compressor in here, and every time I turn it on, it starts rolling. It starts rolling this way. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this Bosch hammer drill, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece of wood down. I might have to cut it a little bit, but I'm going to put it right in here. I'm going to put a little piece in there, and that's going to keep this from rolling. And then when I want to take it out, all I have to do is lift it up a little bit and drive over it. Now, if you really want to get these tight, don't just use one of these holes. Turn it around, use all three to tighten it. And you can get it a little bit tighter by using all three of them. Okay, the first order of business here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these huge springs underneath this trailer. Here is the axle that I took out of this trailer. Extremely ancient. My guess is it's a Ford. I'm not sure. I had to cut it in two pieces. It was extremely difficult to get it out of there. I had to cut all the welds to get it out of the trailer. We have a rough idea of what's going to go on here. I had to try to figure out these components. This trailer is this trailer, the area where the axles or where these springs are going to go is 35 inches. And then, so there's going to be one spring here, over here, and then another one down here. Something like that. 35 inches apart. And then I'm going to have spring hangers here, wherever this area, wherever I figured out where the centers are. And those spring hangers are going to look like this right here. I'll get a close-up of that. Yeah, these right here. These are the spring hangers. And these holes right here, or these buttons here, I'll call them, right here, they are going to fit down in there into the spring hangers. So we're going to have to make some spring hangers, and these right here are where the U-bolts are going to go. Over here are the U-bolts. They go like this, and they're going to go around this axle. Now I have to cut these things down.